This is the Forecla G Plus Rotary Mini Polisher. The box features some key specifications of the polisher, including the compatible accessories and the speed range 700 to 2500 RPM. There is also the speed settings and a QR code to activate your warranty. First thing you'll find when you open the box is the instruction manual. We recommend reading this thoroughly before use. You will also find a hex key for changing the backplate should you need to, and one of our premium applicators that delivers superb cut and gloss on a variety of surfaces. And finally, the machine itself. It is lightweight, has exceptional build quality with a comfortable rubberized grip, ideal for one or two-handed polishing. Don't forget, when you purchase your mini machine, you'll need to buy a battery and charger separately. The charger is suitable for voltages between 100 and 240 and up to 3 amp charge current. It also comes with a UK and EU plug. The mains cord for the charger is around 1.5 meters long, and you can find the EU plug inside the UK plug. The box also contains an instruction manual and, of course, the charger itself. There are many vents in the body to keep the battery and charger cool during charging. Finally, the battery box contains a 10.8 volt battery and an instruction manual. Your battery will take a little under an hour to charge, and if you have multiple batteries, you will have no downtime. When charging the battery, the green light will blink. Charging is complete when the green light is continuously lit. All our mini tools have brushless motors, a benefit as it means you do not have to worry about replacing carbon brushes. The speed range is controlled with 6 settings. The first light covers speed settings 1 and 2, the second light covers speed settings 3 and 4, and the third light covers speed settings 5 and 6. If using the polisher for an extended period, users can double-click the trigger to set it to the maximum selected speed. The rotary action provides a fast cut for efficient polishing. The design of the polisher enables you to work closely to the surface you are polishing for greater control. It is a versatile machine that is ideal for a variety of environments and uses such as OEM, automotive smart repair and headlight restoration, as well as focused areas for marine and industrial users.